Hi everyone, this is Noble Swan, a spiritual space where we delve into the universal meanings behind your worldly experiences. Welcome or welcome back. If you find yourself here, there may be a message in here for you today. Thank you. So this message is for those of you who recently accomplished something big. Particularly for those of you who have accomplished something which others were not expecting you to pull through. You could have your sun, you could have your moon, you could have your ascendant in Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo. You may be a Leo, you may be a Sagittarius, or you may be an Aries. And in the recent past, you have experienced this state of being looked up by others, of being finally celebrated by others. Because through your accomplishment, you've testified something of its truthfulness, something which is really close to your heart, and this time, through your efforts, you've been able to prove it to those around you. And if you are, now this is the card of your present energy, if you are thinking of venturing further, because you're feeling more self-assured, you're feeling more confident after this most recent victory, if you're feeling this need to venture out of your comfort zone, it may seem impulsive to those around you who naturally are not able to empathize with this sense, this fiery sense which is bubbling within you. If in the present you're feeling that sense, and I saw 3 in the camera, this is your nod to go ahead for it. Given it is going to be an uncharted therapy. Maybe some of you need to visit a therapist for the very first time. Coming back, given it's going to be uncharted territory for you, it's going to require courage and strength from your part. Others may perceive it as an impulsive or a bold step. But there's a reason why you're feeling these energies. This is a call for you to finally follow the passions of your heart. This card has been coming in for the collective in my past readings, and every single time this card has been coming up. So this is the time with the collective waking up at such a massive scale. This is the time to charge forward. Do it. Be cautious, but make the decision from your heart. Yeah, because while you're giving the freedom, the nod, and I saw 4 on the screen, which basically means you're being given this nod because once you follow your heart, once you take this leap of faith, you are going to be, this is the card of your future energies, you're going to be laying the firm establishment of your dreams. It could be any venture, in any field, in any interest, in any hobby. And you know enough. You know more than enough in this field to be looked upon as the authority. This is the card of authority. This is the card of someone who knows better than anyone and everyone else as far as this particular passion, which is so close to your heart, is concerned. This is the card of your future energies, which lets me know as soon as you're able to muster the courage and go ahead, in the future, you're going to find yourself in an authoritative position. Things are going to work out way better than you imagined, but it is going to work out in the way which your heart always knew. It's going to require more planning on your side, I can see, because it's going to expand, it's going to influence, impact the thoughts of the people. And I think influencing thoughts of the people for the better, for the highest good of all, is how rich your life is. So congratulations. Hope these messages were useful to you. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.